Yan, ito po ang aming bar. Nakikita niyo naman po kung gaano kalaki yan. Ayan ang aking nililinis araw-araw. Ay, pag ano lang pala, closing ako. Yan po kalaki. Napakalaki po niyan. Pag titignan mo, ang laki, no? Imagine that. Si Michael Quijano naglilinis niya. This is the bar. This is my manager, Mr. Ibrahim. Watching you. Very not clear, no? Not that much clear, no? 1 pixels only. This is the bar itself. See? This is the big bar. The copy. Oh, meron. Ulas. Good. Kukunin mo ba, Mark? Yan si Mark Seal.
What's up?
Mark, meron pa dito isang kutsilyo. Butal.
Okay.
Wow.